In this video, we're going to look at where you can see the previous claim activity or the line activity. We're going to look at it in two places, but there are other places as well you'd be able to see the line activity. Firstly, we'll look at the patient screen or the ledger in the patient screen. I'm going to search for a patient. Once you've searched and opened the patient, open the patient's ledger, and on the patient's ledger, you'll be able to see all the claims for that patient. And on that list, you can click on the right-hand side, and there's three black dots. It brings up a menu where you can click on View Notes to look at the activity of the claim or of the line. You can see when you click on the View Notes button, it shows you all the activities that occurred on the line. Now, if you want to see for the next line, just click on the ellipsis to that line, and you can see all the activity of that particular line. For each claim, you'll just have to click on whichever line activity that you want to see. Just click on the ellipsis next to the line. Now you can also see this from the charge screen. So if you want to look at it from the charge screen, just click on the date of service, or on the right hand side, there's the Edit Charges button. You can click on that, and it would open it up in the Charge Master screen. Now on the Charge Master screen, you'd have a tab at the bottom for line activity. You can see that there's a line activity tab on the bottom, and it'll show you the same things that we saw from the ledger screen, which is the previous activities. In addition to this, on the chart screen, it also color codes based on what type of activity, whether it's a payment posting activity, or whether it's a rebill activity, or whether it's an adjustment activity. You'd be able to see it show up in different color codings as well. If I click on the first line, I can see the activity of the first line. If it's on the second line that we click on, we could see the activity of the second line.